Okay, so now we're going to look at callout extensions, what they are, how you can set them up, and how they sort of enhance your text ads and sort of how they appear in the search results. So if we go into a search campaign and we go to ads and extensions and click extensions, we can see the different ad extensions in there. And then I've got my call out there. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 extensions. And these come up with my ads. So what are call out extensions? They differ from site links, which I've covered in another video, in that call out extensions are not clickable. So with site links, as if you've seen my other video, I showed that those are actually clickable and people can go to specific pages when they click those. Now these just call out specific text, descriptive text that's could be important for the people you are reaching. So they come below the ad and they sort of enhance your ad. And I would recommend, you add them because they're one of the three important ad extensions to add. The call out extensions is one of them, site link extensions and structured snippet, and also call extensions and so forth. So you should definitely add call extensions. And with call extensions, add as many as you can, but the minimum is two. And add them in different lengths. So if we go there and we go to click that to add some, you will see you've got 25 characters to play with, including spaces. And this is what it looks like when your call out comes out in the ad. So this is just a preview of what my ad looks like. So if I click use existing, it just shows you the ones that are existing, and then I can create new ones. Now, because callout extensions come up on different devices, you have to really think about how they're going to appear. So test different lengths, make some shorter, some longer, and then you will see in your report how they're performing for you. And add as many as you can, 16 if you can, but make sure it's only relevant information. And then the Google Ads system will rotate it. The machine learning system rotates them and starts to show the most prominent ones more often. So callout extensions really are important, and I recommend them. In fact, if you don't add them, you will continually see a message from Google saying add your callout extensions. And especially if you go into your recommendations, if you haven't added them, it's going to show you there. So in this campaign, I've got 10. You can add them at the campaign level, you can add them at the ad group level, but just make sure they're relevant to how you want your business, your products or services to appear. And then you can see the reports here. Now these aren't stats just for the specific caller extension. This is based on when the ad was eligible to appear. This call out extension, for example, appeared when the ad was clicked 35 times. So you can see how they perform for you and the average cost per click when those call out extensions are set to appear. Definitely worth adding, definitely worth updating, continuously update them and see how they perform for you. And you will really see a major increase in click through rates if you've got really good call out extensions.